This is a 2002 Chevrolet Tahoe. Its top features include speed-sensitive volume controls and aluminum wheels. The following features are also included: 8-way power adjustable seats, cruise control, programmable power door locks, front multi-stage airbags, a rear window defroster, a chrome grille, fog lamps, an anti-lock braking system, a keyless entry system, and the HomeLink transceiver can be programmed to use the same frequency as your remote opening devices, such as the garage door, the entry gate, or even the living room lights, enabling you to control them right from the driver's seat. Call now to find out how you can own this breathtaking automobile.
Thank you for considering Drive with Pride for your next pre-owned vehicle. We have been serving the Houston area since 1995. If you have any questions, please visit our website, give us a call, or stop by our dealership. We are conveniently located at 9731 Southwest Freeway between Bissonnet and Beltway 8. We look forward to serving you.